Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemical kinetics. We'll start by defining what a reaction rate is and the key factors that influence it. It's crucial to differentiate between average and instantaneous rates to build a strong foundation. Then, we'll dive into understanding the rate law and the order of a reaction, which are fundamental concepts for solving problems. This initial understanding sets the stage for more complex topics. Next, we'll explore the different types of reactions, specifically zero, first, and second order. Understanding their unique characteristics is vital. We'll then delve into integrated rate equations and the concept of half-life, which are essential for quantitative analysis. Make sure to practice solving numerical problems for each order of reaction to solidify your understanding and improve your problem-solving skills. Now, let's examine the external factors that significantly impact reaction rates. We'll explore how temperature changes affect the speed of a reaction. A key concept here is activation energy, which we'll link to the Arrhenius equation. Finally, we'll discuss the crucial role of catalysts in altering reaction pathways without being consumed, making reactions more efficient. To truly master chemical kinetics, we'll review collision theory and the molecularity of reactions, connecting these ideas to overall reaction mechanisms. It's highly recommended to solve a variety of previous year's questions and sample papers to test your knowledge and identify areas for improvement. Remember, consistent practice is key to success. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.